Hi, I'm Liang, the founder of Red Red Botak Head restaurant and a proud graduate of Le Cordon Bleu, Malaysia. Can we not do this?
Change script. Okay, change.
Let's change it up. Red Red Botak Head was born over lockdown. One day my wife sketched me and I said, this will be our restaurant logo. Red Red Botak Head is all about hyping Malaysian flavors in new ways. So before I was a chef, I ticked just about every box there was to be ticked in the entertainment industry. I used to be a singer, a TV host, and I even used to be a radio DJ. Make some noise! But eventually I got jaded with the industry and I swapped my mic for a frying pan and joined Le Cordon Bleu because they are the best in the industry.
But why are they the best?
Let me tell you why. If you didn't know, the culinary world is brutal, so you need to arm yourself with the best condition. And Le Cordon Bleu provides the very best, arming you with culinary techniques like butchering, filleting, and sautéing, providing you with the best mentors, teaching you not just recipe, but also technical and soft skills that are much needed, and crucially giving us a strong alumni network to connect with other fellow graduates. This was also how I managed to meet Arif, who is now my Chief Kitchen Officer. Stay tuned for his video. At Red Red Botak Head, we'd like you to enjoy all these flavors anytime, any occasion with your family and friends. So come on over, we'll do it nice for you.